Morris waiting patiently on me. Good morning, everyone. We're starting out in the high 50s here this morning, and it feels glorious outside. Hi, Morris. Come on, buddy. Hi. Hi. There you go. Marty ate in the house. He's feeling and doing fine. He's just probably not super hungry right this second. If it gets any cooler out here, I'm going to need a sweater. And I'm fixing to hustle up and do a bunch of watering, so I'm liable to get warmed up here pretty quick. Well, I have hustled around and made sure in these dry conditions that nothing is underwatered. Hopefully nothing is also overwatered either. Hey, Gray. Good morning. Good morning. Good girl. Good girl. Come here. Hi, sweet pea. Crunchy leaves, crunchy leaves. We've made it. Yeah. It feels refreshing, nice. Even if it's a short walk, I certainly think it's worthwhile. I am on time to the chiropractor with a few minutes to spare. Don and I got in about a 20-minute walk. That was just all we had time for this morning, but we picked up the trash like usual. Johnny's not feeling 100% great. We need good vibes sent his way for his trip out to Vegas for the BattleBots stuff. He starts his travels tomorrow on the train first, and then Thursday on the plane. So I'm really, really hoping that he has a great time. Don's got a dermatologist appointment this afternoon. You know, he goes about every 6 months now, so the guy can keep up with his spots. Hopefully he won't come out of there today with too many frozen areas that are hurting. He's also starting his prep today, because you know we got to repeat the prep. Tomorrow is his endoscopy, so it's just, you know, fun times here this week. I feel so lucky to be able to enjoy this beautiful fall day today. I don't care if it's officially fall or autumn or not fall or whatever, it feels like fall out here today. It's great. She had a new pad today that put out a really strong magnetic field down my whole back, and that felt pretty good. Hopefully it's going to help me get over the soreness I have from the work we did in the yard on Sunday. It's better today. It's not as bad today as it was yesterday, but I definitely am still feeling some soreness. Well, here's hoping to some good fall, Halloween, jewelry, Lego, whatever, some good finds today. Well, there are a few fall and Halloween things here. Let me see if I find anything. This is $3 and I'm close to buying it, but no, because I have something similar. And yeah, well, I got two 9x20 dark wood scroll patterned shadow boxes. One was brand new and one didn't have the tags, but was probably also brand new. Maybe been sitting around for a while. Michelle was excited about them for $4 a piece for shadow boxes, a good deal. And then I got a snowflake throw blanket, something that would be good for decorating for January. Wasn't a lot going on in there, you know, a little bit of fall Halloween stuff, but you know, not like I would like to see. Well, I do have a Amazon return today. It's pretty convenient dropping them off in here. Something that didn't fit. There's the e-tron again. I've seen a couple Model X's today, and I think 3 Model S's. It's a little high on the S and X line today. 4 Model S's today. Oh, look. Not at the wilted azalea, mum, but at the pumpkins. Nice. Well, there's a new blue juniper. I did not see the Cybertruck today. There is another red Model S over there that wasn't there on the way in. So that makes 4 Model S today, I think. Something like that. The Escalade has a Texas sticker on it. I guess, you know, it's big. Cute. I'm on my way home now. We've gotten up to 77 degrees. Don is 5 to 10 minutes behind me. He got done at the dermatologist about the time I was done leaving, heading out of Whole Foods. And that's only just a mile or 2 further down Kildare Farm Road. So he should pull in shortly after me. I guess the guy froze a few spots on the top of his head and then told him he needed to put the chemo stuff on his nose for 2 weeks and come back at the end of September. And then he told him he's moving to Iowa with his family to be closer to grandparents, and he's got to come, you know, switch to another person in the practice. So anyway, yeah, Don's done that chemo cream before, all over his head and part of his face. I guess this time it's just his nose. Before I put the new blanket in the washing machine, I'm letting my official fabric softness detector here check it out and see what she thinks. She was sticking her head in the bag trying to get to it, and I'm like, here, sweetie, you can have it. Mom will, I know you don't have to get up, you're good. Mom will put it in the wash after you have some fun with it. Hi. Dawn and I are in the GMC on our way to the landfill. I just thought I'd show you the tobacco for those of you that don't live in parts of the country where they grow tobacco. Well, we picked a good time to come. They're not busy over here at the landfill. The road's a little busy, but the landfill's not busy.